Science with Slinkies. This is Mr. Kirkwald here. We are on my living room floor with all of our toys, but Mr. Kirkwald went back to school and he took the big giant Slinky. So what we're going to do today is Henry here. Wave, Henry. There we go. Henry's going to help us here. He's going to hold it. And what we're going to take a look at is transverse and longitudinal waves. Henry, can you say transverse?
Transverse.
Can you say longitudinal?
Transverse!
Can you say longitudinal?
Longitudinal.
See, look at that. He's already got the words down. So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you what those would look like with this big giant Slinky. So Henry already knows his job. He's going to scoot all the way back there. Amelia, can we get this out of the way?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Oh, well, can you put it over there? Thanks. Okay. Then I'm going to, wait. Then I'm going to go to the other side, and you're going to see some transverse and longitudinal waves happening on the Slinky. All right. We'll start off with transverse. We'll regroup, and then we'll do the longitudinal. Okay. Here we go. Are you ready, Henry? Okay, here we go. Okay, so as you can see, our transverse waves look like the waves in the ocean. Good job, Henry. Now, thank you, that's enough. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at longitudinal waves. Those are the ones that are like sound waves where they pulse through. So let's take a look at the longitudinal waves. All right, I'm going to start on my end, okay, Henry? I'll start on my end, okay? Ready? Here it comes. Nice job, bud. So we can see with the longitudinal waves there that we have the pulsing through inside of our Slinky. Any last words, Henry? No? None for you? Amelia, any words? No? None for you? Too camera shy today?
Yeah.
All right.
But
So thank you for watching.
Science with Slinkies.
Thank you. We'll see you guys later. Bye.